We're at the open house at 444 Southeast Evergreen Terrace in Port St. Lucie, Florida. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath property right off Crosstown Parkway, so it's convenient and a nice neighborhood. It's nicely landscaped. It's fenced. So good news for those puppy and animal lovers. It's tiled throughout. You have a half bath right off the entrance. An office. There's a bow window type situation, all tile. And you walk into this nice open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, window treatments, breakfast bar. You have a pantry, and you can see the washer dryer right off the kitchen area. New appliances. White tile backsplash. And you can see the fenced yard out there. It's a split floor plan, so we'll go over to where 2 of the bedrooms are. Nice size bedroom with fan and light. Nice updated bathroom, beautiful shower. Nice tile floor. And the other bedroom. A lot of light. And large closets. The master bath is over here on this other side. It's a large room, a large private primary bedroom, lots of light, fans, access to the enclosed lanai. It's screened. Two walk-in closets. A large or deep tub, walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a water closet, private water closet. This is the spring lanai. All tile. Great for entertaining. And a nice backyard for kids to play sets for dogs. Very peaceful, yet very convenient. Please stop by. I'd love to see you this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, March 23rd and 24th, 1 to 4 at 444 Southeast Evergreen Terrace, Port St. Lucie. See you soon.